What's going on, guys? Let's go over Bitcoin. Let's hang out together, see what's going on. Are we going to hit 50,000 this week? Or are we going to start crashing back down to 39,000? Well, that's what we're going to try to assess. It's kind of what we've been on a roll here assessing in the last few videos. So let's dive into this. Guys, if you have not seen this news yet, it's pretty awesome. We've now gone 108 for 108 wins. So in other words, 108 wins, 0 losses. Okay. We've done this with our program over here. I'll show you guys how to trade with us, by the way. And there's never been a member who signed up with us who's ever lost a trade, and we're doing very good over here. So the second to last trade we ended up taking a win on was for AVAX for 6.73%. At the moment, that trade is still open. We still have 50% in that trade, and then we ended up closing out Mana for 4.72%, and we just got back into Mana just this morning. So great job, guys. Let's now go over Bitcoin and see what we can figure out what's going on with Bitcoin here. Is it going up or is it going down? Let's take a look, guys. Trend dashboard here. We're taking a look at all the retail trader indicators here. Majority of them are green. Now, when they're majority green, you guys know what I'm going to say. If you guys been following me for a while, this is where we look to sell our long trades, or we don't take short trades, but if you're looking to take short trades, this is usually where you want to do this. We are trading against all retail traders. I will prove this to you guys in the video over here when we start looking at the metrics of looking at the emotional index of seeing what retail traders are feeling, and I'll show you guys how institutions are actually trading against the emotions of retail traders. It's very, very powerful if you guys understand that. Let's take a look at this now. Price to swell, money flow, trend exhaustion, two of the best indicators you guys will ever use to call crypto pumps and dumps ever. This is how we've gone literally 100% win rate. We've never lost. Take a look at this, guys. The moment we push into the top red section, and if the well money flow is high as well, that's all we're looking for as far as moves back down, okay? Previous time we saw this up here, we saw the red exhaustion in the top red zone here. We saw the trend exhaustion coming from down and moving up. All we're looking for is a move up here. It's just, that's it, guys. Don't make this complicated. Trend exhaustion pushed in the top red section, the well money flow moving up. You guys can see this on the chart here. That's where we ended up calling this drop right there. And we saw this call it right there, as well as over here where we consolidated. And then this also called a drop over here. You guys can see this circled with these the top red sections here. So these indicators are what we're using to actually call exits. And if you guys saw the Mana exit we ended up calling, that actually got taken out pretty much like no closer to the top than we possibly could get. So we secured some good amount of money on that, and that's how traders are making great money with us. Also, real quick, guys, I know you guys been waiting for the scalping video. It is in the process of being recorded, so I will be coming out with that soon. If you guys want to get into the market when the trend exhaustion is low here, and the well money flow is low, and you guys want to get into the market, look at these positions you guys are able to take in here. These are very good positions to make some money in Bitcoin. If you guys like scalping, where you get in and out of the market, going for 3 to 4% and then closing your trades, this is the best indicator you guys can be using. Okay, it really is the best one you guys can be using here. We've tested this. I've used other ones. I coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com customers, and I even had the COO of TradingView come out and try to purchase indicators from me to actually use on their platform for TradingView.com. And I said, you know what, respectfully, I'm going to keep them. We're going to use them for our members. So if you guys want to scalp with these, wait for the trend exhaustion to get the bottom red section, well money flow low, and you guys can jump into those trades. This does come with alerts as well, so you guys can have it like a full automated strategy. I'll show you where to get this later. I want to stay focused on the analysis right now. This ascending support line is where I'm looking for a bounce in Bitcoin. So we're looking for a bounce right now to target about $50,000 by this weekend is what I'm looking for. Let's take a look at the metrics real quick, and then we're going to give ourselves a prediction of where we can move down, how far that is going to go. The metrics over here, guys, really quickly, let me just make an announcement of this. Our membership is going to be going up to $95 a month in 9 days. You have 9 days left, guys, February 25th. So everybody who's in right now, everybody getting in today, everyone getting in tomorrow, you guys are going to be in at $49, and you guys will stay at this price for as long as you want to hold your membership. It will not go up to $95 every month. You will stay at $49. So make sure you guys secure your spot. This will give you access to all the metrics and the charts, as well as the Telegram access, where I'm calling all the trade exits, the inner circle, and the master classes we have, which you guys want to be watching. Here's the inner circle. Here's the master class up here. All right, let's get into Bitcoin. Let's go to trade metrics and setups. Let's scroll down to Bitcoin charts. Let's take a look at the metrics you guys can access every morning, 8 a.m. This has already been updated. Got some interesting things to show you guys on today's metrics. We ended up pushing up in here, getting close to the greedy section, but definitely in the excited area. When we ended up seeing that was right here, pushing up to the top, and then we saw them move back down. Again, institutions are going to look to short or sell their long trades when retail traders are excited. You got to have a lot of money pushing into the market for Wells institutions to actually start taking trades out, okay? This is right now, looking at this, we're sitting in the neutral section, so we need more data to decide what's going to happen next. Look at this, guys. Long versus short trades over here. Short trades are actually moving out while price is moving up. Very interesting. Long trades have recently started to move down just a little bit here. You guys can see with these two metrics. So what does this tell me? This tells me short trades are moving out of the market. Interesting, because this is so high over here that I would expect short trades to actually increase for them to actually try to trade this on the downside. Since we are not increasing in short trades, this tells me that this is probably giving us a sentiment that we're going to keep looking to head back up. Does that make sense? If institutions, wells, were going to short this out, they would be increasing short trades while prices going up because they expect the drop to come. Nope, that's not what's happening. Look at this, guys. This channel, we don't fake any of this. It's not biased. It's just strict data. Every video you guys watch. Short trades are moving out. This is a bullish sign. Even though long trades have been dipping out just a little bit here, overall long trades have been increasing through this entire, semi-bull market over here, giving us this move up here. So that's been very nice. And we don't see any signs here that short trades are increasing. So this is a continuational move back up of what I'm looking for in the market. Let's continue. The market cap strength of Bitcoin is only increasing. Okay, you guys need to understand this. This green line here shows us the market cap of Bitcoin relative to the entire market. When this goes up, when this green line goes up, guys, this means money's coming out of other coins and tokens and it's being put into Bitcoin. Bitcoin is gaining more market cap than other coins. That's what this means. This is a bullish sign. This means people are expecting this to go up. How do I know that? Well, if they were expecting it to go down, they'd take their money out of this and they put it in other things like USDC and stable coins. But they are not. We are actually seeing the market cap increase for Bitcoin over here, which tells me that there is a continuation of buying and interest in Bitcoin for a continuation move up here. And that's why I do think we could hit 50,000. This is another sign, a bullish sign that we could be hitting that. Okay. Trades in favor over here, guys. We're sitting up here into the good short trade area. So yes, we are at these levels where some of our metrics are saying, hey, we're getting to this, triple top almost, and we're looking for this possible move down. Now let's do some predictions here. Based off this, I am looking at the trend exhaustion. That's in the middle and the well money flows in the middle. Okay, great. We definitely still have room to move down here on both of these metrics. Well, where's the catch point for Bitcoin? You can use this on your guys' trade for the analysis. It's $40,000. I'm looking at $40,000 right now to be the area where we're probably going to come down to and bounce back up if we do see a bearish market takeover in the next few days before the weekend. But 40,000 is a whole number where I do think we're going to see a move back up because trend exhaustion will be low at that point. Well, money flow will be low, and that's when we're going to trampoline back up here with the price. And that's where a lot of you guys can make a lot of very good money in the market, is with these indicators and watching that. Those of you who are scalping, you can do that. Or those of you guys who are trading with us, you can get into that trade. I will be showing you guys how to get into a trade today on Bitcoin. I'll give you guys the entries as well. Well, in institutional smart money, here's what we're looking at. We saw this basically an incredible amount of short trade power come out here to the downside when we started moving up here, and that was right around this area. And actually a lot of these shorts got squeezed, and that's why we started to see this move back up here, because they got squeezed out and started pushing up. But overall, the market did come back down for them, and they started, seeing them move back down. Recently, which has been interesting, is that we've actually seen short trades come out again at this level, and that's why I'm convinced that we're starting to see this drop back down. So we really need to see this ascending support line held for Bitcoin, which is right at this level. Let's give ourselves a price prediction here. It's right at about $43,000. If 43,000 can be held, I do think we could hit 50,000 by the weekend. Okay, let's continue down here. Support and resistance prices for you guys. Next resistance is at 45,600. So let's take a look at that. It's basically just structure high. 45,600 is right up here to these levels. Okay, not hard to hit by this weekend whatsoever. The support that I'm looking at is right over here at 41,600. So let's take a look at 41,600. That is putting us right around this level right here. And that's just simply structure support. Okay, not a big deal. A bigger support is actually, honestly, guys, down here at this level, which is right around $39,000. And that's what a previous video I came out with saying we could crash down there. Now that we've created more structure and this ascending support line is further out, that means it's going to be higher because price action is going further. Does that make sense, guys? Instead of it dropping here or dropping there, you have a higher price. So that's why I'm moving this to 40,000. I think if we can stay above 40,000, we're going to look really good, and we're just going to continue the bull run up. Dollar cost average entries, guys, great entries for you guys who got in here. You guys are riding this up for 5 to 10 years, but you guys are basically diamond hand holders, so great job. Take a look at this. Exit points, calling a great exit up here for you guys who are in long trades and calling that move back down, and this is telling us right now that we're looking for the move down. Guys, these metrics are calling the drops, the pumps. You guys are doing very well. Let's take a look at this real quick, and then let's get into a trade setup here for you guys. The death cross. We are currently still in a death cross, which simply just means the 50 moving average is below the 200-day moving average, and that's a death cross. When the 50 is above the 200 moving average, that means we're in what's called a golden cross, and that's usually where we get into bull markets. So let's watch this carefully to see if we can move back up here soon. Okay, you guys ready to get into a trade? Let's just keep going here. Let's not wasting any time. We're looking at all the metrics. So here's what I want you guys to assess. Now that we've looked at this is showing us that this is looking like a good short trade, moving back down in the market. Okay, that's awesome. Looking at here, good short trade. That makes sense too. And we're seeing over here that short trades are moving out. So what can we conclude of this? I like to look here at the Wealth Institutional Smart Money. This shows us that Wealth Institutions and Smart Money are looking to short this out, and it's already making a move down, okay? As we start seeing the price move down here, this is a great time to pick up what? A short trade or a long trade. It's a great time to actually pick up some long trades on the dip. We don't want to be buying on the pump up. We always buy on the dip back down. So here's what you guys can do to trade our system. And you can use any of the coins that you want right now to trade this on. It's going to be the same principles, okay? Take the amount that you guys want to enter in with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions, and then place that $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. So $250 would go here, $250, $250, $250. These are updated for today. So $216, this is updated for you guys. So make sure you guys are getting in here and you're using this, because what's the price right now? It was at 42,300. 42,300. So we haven't hit that yet, but very close. So once you guys hit that first buy limit, which was right around here, you guys are still going to have 3 other buy limits below. This is going to give you very good risk management. Just like we have on the chart here, we've hit our first, our second, and third, and our break-even entry has dropped all the way down here, and we are only 5.48% away from getting into the profit and making money on this. That is why this is the best strategy to be trading any crypto on. If the market goes against you, you get a better break-even entry, and you make more money faster. How do you make more money? Well, if you have 25% here, 25% here, and 25 and 25, that means the more buy limits that are hit means that you are making more money once you go back into the profit, okay? The only strategy that as the market goes against you, you make more money when you get back into the profit. Okay, very, very powerful. And you get a better risk to reward ratio every time the market moves against you. It's almost like a win-win, guys. It's so powerful. And it's why we've never lost a trade ever. Okay, take a look at this, guys. Once you do that, make sure you're joining me in the Telegram channel where I'm calling all the exits for all the coins with the indicators and giving you guys updates on masterclasses. I will most likely have a masterclass come out this Friday. So make sure you guys pay attention to that. I will be calling out in the Telegram channel and giving you guys links to that. Okay, let's talk about the indicators real quick, and then we can wrap up this video, because I honestly, guys, it's kind of just a chill Wednesday. Just set up your long trade, get the good risk management there, and then what you guys can do once you have your long trade set up, just follow me in Telegram, and I'm going to call an exit on Bitcoin when we're up to about this level of $50,000. And you guys, whoever in here, we're going to take about a 10 to 11% profit, and then we're just going to rinse and repeat and do it again. That's all we're doing, guys. We're just rinse, repeat. Take a trade, exit trade. Take a trade, exit trade. Just do that over and over. And we've done that 108 times, and we've never lost a trade. And we're averaging between 10 to 12% per trade. That's ridiculous. Honestly, it's crazy. Okay, guys, here's the indicators. You know, the trend exhaustion, the price per swell money flow, and the trend dashboard. These 3 indicators are right here. They're in the description. You guys really want to get the bundle pack, though. This is going to give you the best deal on all of our indicators. It is 82% off, okay? If you guys want the 3 that I use coupon code SAVEMONEY. It'll save you guys 40%. Now, you guys can get all of these, all 9 of them, and including 2 Forex indicators that are really, really good. And you guys can have all that just for the bundle pack price. So I'm not turning this into a big sales video, but a lot of people ask us, like, how do I get these indicators? We have more testimonials about our indicators than anything else. They make people a lot of money. Don't believe me? Come over here and look at the testimonials, and you guys will see the thousands of dollars people are making with our indicators. It is pretty ridiculous. So make sure you guys are picking those up. I think you guys will really like it. $2,200 in the last 7 days. Ethereum and Doge up 13%. The indicators are unbelievable and absolutely crucial to timing the markets. Look at this down here, $8,000 in one single day. $61,000 tonight. We've had multiple people do that. $2,300 in a single day with the 2 indicators. I wonder which ones those are. Trend exhaustion and price per swell money flow. Okay, guys, come in here, read all these. They're really fun to look at. It's really cool to see what other people are doing and the success they're having, because it means you guys can do that as well. Okay. All right. Let me end this video here, guys. All the links to the indicators are in the description. You guys can start trading a lot better if you guys have that bundle pack. Snag it because it is on sale. We will be eventually upping this price, and make sure you guys do get in the membership before it goes up in 9 days, because you guys will be able to take advantage of everything we've got coming out, and it is going to be so much fun. Make sure you guys look at the inner circle. We have a live event on Skype going on March 10th, 3 to 4 p.m. You guys can all join if you're members. I'm going to get on Zoom, talk about the markets a little bit, and then we're going to do an open Q&A session. If you guys have questions about the markets or anything like that, we'll talk about that, and that will be super fun. And then make sure you guys are watching the master classes, you get access to this, getting to meet me, how I injected $14,000 into the market, and how you can use the equator principle, which will make you guys more money. You cannot watch this video without making more money based off our strategy. Okay, how about that? How about mastering your emotions and thought patterns to win more trades? I've taught hedge funds this and people who manage billions of dollars in the market. This is what you guys want to be watching. If you guys are like, man, I can't seem to master my emotions, I'll teach you guys how to do that, and I'll show you the difference. How to spot huge market moves before they happen. All right, you guys want to get into jackpot trades? I'll teach you exactly how I do that. I've taught it to big guys before as well. How to use TradingView drawing tools. If you're brand new to TradingView, I'll show you guys how I use all my drawing tools and such like that. So anyways, I usually don't do this on the videos, but I thought it'd just be fun to show that to you guys. So guys, overall, this week, I know it's not a huge shiny video, but it doesn't need to be. Get your trade set up your buy limits, exit with me when I call an exit in Telegram. Make sure you guys have your membership for that, and I'll exit for you, and we're going to try to go 110 for 110 wins. That's all we're doing, guys. Imagine trading with us and just following the Telegram channel and entering into our trades and just possibly never losing a trade again. Like, come on. That's pretty awesome, right? All right, guys. God bless you so much. Have an amazing day. I'll come out with some more videos tomorrow, but the indicators are in the description as well as the links to the membership, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com. God bless you guys. Have a good one. Let's see if we can go 110 for 110 wins, and let's make some more money. See you guys. Bye-bye.